Welcome. This is Mindy from Orange Mattress in New Jersey, specifically in Clark, New Jersey. We've been in Clark for about 15 years. We're a family business and started in 1902. My great-grandfather started it in South Carolina, and then my grandfather moved to Orange, New Jersey, where we get our name, Orange Mattress. We've had a big factory in East Orange and Maplewood. We've had stores throughout New Jersey. But here we are in Clark for 15 years and we love it. We absolutely love it. We love our neighbors. And I just want to tell you about us, the types of mattresses we carry. We have regular mattresses for our neighbors, just like the name brand stores. We have a wide selection of double-sided mattresses that you can flip over like they did in the old days. They lasted double the lifetime. They lasted much longer. We also have a variety of natural mattresses, which are much healthier, made without foam, such as cotton and horsehair, latex. We have wool, anything you can imagine. We have round beds. We make mattresses for specialties like three-quarter mattresses for antique beds. If you need a longer mattresses, we do a lot with sports. If you're in the NBA, we make a lot of long mattresses for the taller guys or gals. We have coil box springs, all kinds of custom box springs, platforms with legs that come in different colors. Anything you need regarding sleep, even pillows or sheets, we also have that. We're here to help you. Come on down, visit our website at mycustombedding.com or give us a call at 732-428-4125, and we are happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.